our channel, to another video. This is Kerry and this is
Marco Polo.
Alright guys, so today we have some Popeyes fried chicken, we have some wings, and we have some regular fried chicken, and we have their dipping sauce that we're gonna try out today. So I have the sweet and spicy. Guys, I don't know what is LTO. If you know, comment down below because we don't know. But we're going to try it. We have the signature hot. We have the roasted garlic parmesan. We have the honey lemon pepper. And the honey barbecue. Alright guys, and you know, I got my beer.
Yep.
Enough with the talking and let's dive in. Alright, sweet and spicy first. You want to take all the caps off? No?
But then we won't know what we're eating. Wait until we're ready.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Silly billy me. Yes, guys, because the thing is on the top. So if I take the caps off, I won't know. This is the sweet and spicy.
Ooh. No.
Come on.
I like spicy, but I don't like sweet. So, let's see.
Me too.
It's good.
It's good.
But it's more sweet and sweet. I mean, guys, don't take our word for it.
My thought on this is like, I'm tasting a lot of honey.
Yeah. Our spice tolerance is like kind of high. So, you know,
I have spicy food.
especially yours.
Guys, talking about spicy. Let's try the sauce first.
So that's good, but it's not, we're not getting the spice.
I give that a 5.
Yeah.
For the chicken, guys, you know it's a 10 for me.
The chicken's always good.
Alright. Try garlic parmesan. You know what, guys? Let's just finish with the sweet.
Yeah.
Honey barbecue. And then we move to the hot. Make sense?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I'll finish with the sweet, then we go. But we don't know if LTO is sweet or...
We don't know what is LTO. Comment down below if you know.
We're going to find out. Yeah.
I don't like barbecue sauce, guys, for some reason. I only like barbecue sauce on ribs.
On the rib. That's it. Yeah. I know some people probably in the comments are going to kill me, but I never get... There are 2 wings that I never go and get this barbecue wings and buffalo.
One. Ooh, that's it. I like barbecue. Yeah, I'm a chicken. Ribs is fine. You probably say, oh, barbecue's good. Not for me, honey. As I said, the chicken is a 10 for me. I'm gonna give that a 3, and the only reason is just because I do not like barbecue sauce. As I said, not on my chicken.
I'm gonna give it a 5. I'm good.
Moving on. Honey lemon pepper. Honey lemon pepper on chicken. Why are we doing this, Mark?
What?
You go. Honey, a lot of honey going on over here. Yeah, I'm not done with my wings. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm eating the wings regardless.
Ooh,
So
this is not given at all.
this as like, I don't know if you guys like have marmalade over here. You know marmalade? Yeah, she doesn't know marmalade. But this is like, it tastes like marmalade to me. It's like a jam you put on bread and yeah.
They have marmalade over here.
No.
Well,
I can eat the marmalade wings.
woo! Guys, that's a 1.
I know people are gonna kill us. Yeah.
I'm giving my honest opinion, guys.
Don't do it.
That honey lemon pepper
It's not it.
is just not it for wings. It's just not it for me.
So this is me, but not Kerry.
Roasted garlic parmesan.
I want you to give the lemon pepper.
I give it a 1.
I want.
How much you give it?
Yeah.
It's a 1.
So
It wasn't given on the wings for me. Just.
well, that is one. I'm gonna give it like.
More like parmesan than this chicken.
I'm gonna give it like a 6.
I'm gonna give it a 6 too. Not bad. That wasn't bad.
I'm gonna do some more of this later, but yeah. I'm a big cheese and garlic fan. I'm not supposed to eat cheese, but I'm a big cheese fan.
He eats it anyway. Alright. So we try all of these.
Yeah. You're not gonna eat any of those again? Yes.
I'm saving the best for last, guys.
It's
There's
the
no way the
signature hot
signature
is
hot.
actually hot.
Yes.
This kid's gonna be very disappointed.
I'm saving the best for last. This is the LTO. LTOP, that's an L top on a burger. Guys, it's barbecue.
No, it's not. Yeah, but it's like smoky and barbecue, but it's like barbecue, yeah.
Ooh! I wasn't ready for that. That's a 7. It's super good. It has a little heat to it, which I like. But it's like they mix barbecue with something spicy. Maybe they mix the barbecue with the signature hot. It has a little heat, that's why I like it.
So I'm gonna try probably.
It wasn't bad.
Let's see. So I
wasn't ready for that barbecue taste though.
So I got 2 options in case the. What do you give that? 7?
7.
Yeah, I'm gonna
I
give
like the
it a
heat. Alright guys, I did save the best for last. Dum dum dum. I don't know why this is giving me like a Cajun look. But let's try it. Ooh, I dip a lot too. That's how you know it's gonna be good. I sauce it up. That's how you know it's gonna be good. Cheers.
eating. I don't know what it tastes like, guys.
I have no idea. I can tell it's mixed with something oily. You get that oil kick off.
The heat is coming.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
It's hot, but what does it taste like? I don't know.
I don't know.
Mm.
I'm gonna give it an 8 because it's spicy. But
I don't think this is spicy.
I don't know what it tastes like. I can't describe it. Well, it doesn't take away from the flavor of the actual wing, so that's good.
Guys, I guess I'll be eating dry wings because Popeye's filming. First of all, they said we had ghost pepper wings. Turn up after we open it after we got home.
I didn't see any ghost.
There's no ghost in the pepper. There's no ghost here. But that's fine because guess what, guys? Your girl.
That's Popeyes, anyhow.
No.
But
Ooh, you don't let me fall.
Oh.
Guys, I bring my 2 times spicy just in case I didn't like anything. So Mark is gonna eat his.
Yeah, I don't want a 2 times spicy.
I'm a 2 times spicy man.
See,
I was prepared.
I'm already sweating. But
I'm not gonna eat like a lot, but yeah. I'm gonna give mine a dip.
at the end of the day, guys, you can't go wrong with Popeyes chicken.
No!
Yeah, so
The chicken is super delicious.
it's always good.
Oh, where's the ranch? I could use ranch and leave my spicy for another time.
You got ranch?
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Ranch back, yeah.
Mark can entertain you guys until I come back.
No, I'm gonna be eating. That was quick.
Guys, we have some ranchy. Yes, so I'm gonna eat some ranch with mine. Anyway, guys, comment down below what you think about Popeye's chicken with all these sauces. For me, it wasn't a given because maybe it just wasn't given. But the chicken, you can never go wrong with some chicken in French. Okay.
So guys, I'm still waiting on the suggestions. I'm gonna try a little more of this and see if
Sarah is sleeping. That's why she's not here making noise all over the goddamn place. She is sleeping.
to me it's not bad. I just don't know what it tastes like. It's like it has a spice, but it doesn't have any.
Let me try it again. I did like the spice.
It doesn't really have any outstanding flavor. Like, but that's good. But the wing is good.
All I can choose is to eat.
Oh.
But that's fine.
So, when I did it the second time, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Because it is spicy. And it doesn't take away from the wing.
Guys, 1 year go by so fast. It's almost Christmas, guys.
Yep.
Super fast. Ooh, I'm feeling that kick. It's a good kick.
Oh, I'm sweating.
You're always sweating though. Ooh wee. I don't know what it tastes like, but the heat is good. You guys, you have to comment down below some challenges that you want us to do. And let us try it. Let us have fun. Are you willing to try it?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, comment some challenges down below. So we can jump in.
I mean, I'm the one that suggested the most challenges, so yeah.
Okay. Last time I said comment down below because whatever you guys say we're gonna do it is you was the one that will draw, guys, and
Guys,
say
when you watch the video, I'm the one that said make suggestions, and then I said we'll give it a good consideration.
let's see how that goes.
Because if it's too crazy, I'm not gonna do it.
Guys, I'm a bit full. It's okay. I'll entertain you guys and Mark can eat. Ooh, I'm starting to feel that kick. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Want to feel the pepper?
Yeah. Mm. That signature hot, I'll give it a 10. And the reason being is because of the heat, not the flavor. Because I don't know what it tastes like. It's just got a heat. Yeah.
Well, next time we got wings on Popeyes, that's what we'll do. No.
No.
Not too hot?
I'll stick to the ghost pepper. The ghost pepper wings that time, it was good. I like it. I don't know why we didn't get some ghost pepper sauce.
Ghost pepper, dry rub or...
No, it's a wet sauce.
I don't remember, guys. I don't remember anything. Get old.
Yeah, I had ghost pepper. I bought a sauce one time and it was like a sauce, not dry rub.
I'm talking about Popeyes, the wings.
Yeah, it's a wet sauce.
What?
Yeah, toss it. Yeah. Yes. So are you guys doing? Guys, we gotta find some topic to talk about. Let's talk. Sit down and have a real life eating conversation. Right? I'm full. I won't even try.
Yep, I'm gonna do it.
Guys, have you ever no? Well, I don't know. But Guinness and Supplegent mixed together, boom, 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 with some Magnum tonic wine. Right? It's
Right.
good.
Probably 95% of our audience will not know what's up with tonic wine is.
That's why I said never mind. But I was like, just throw it out there. Some Guinness, Magnum tonic wine, and some supplement. Mix that shit. Mix it up.
That is.
Mix it together.
It's the wings, guys. The wings. There we go. The wings.
Mix it together, guys, and boom. Super good. I'm gonna try it.
I think this is gonna be.
That's it for you?
Trying to be it.
Ooh. Excuse me. Excuse me. Guys, we have Halloween coming up in a couple days from now. Hi, my love. How are you? You come. Huh?
It's alright? Firefly?
Come on, we're eating. Come on, baby. Huh? You want to eat them?
No.
What?
I just said bring her and she said bye.
Oh, you said bring her and let her say bye. I'll be right back. Oh, you're so scary. You want to say bye to the people? No. No? I want it. You don't want it? What do you want? You choose one. Tell me what you want. I want this. You want this? No, you gotta get another one. This one. No. No.
Kerry's around there negotiating with
Okay. You want this one? No. What do you want? What? Oh, this one. Oh, this is cute. No. Come on, baby. Butterfly. What? Oh, butterfly. No. Butterfly.
Can you over the side out?
You want to come in my video or no?
Well, what's this?
We're eating.
Okay.
Guys, we're going to sign up. I'm going to go give her some attention. Guys, we'll see you in another video. And we love you guys so much. Peace out.